Welcome to MB Tool Reviews. Today on the channel I have another unboxing for you, and today's unboxing is of this, the Wera KK VDE 16. This is a 16 piece VDE insulated screwdriver set. So I've just picked this up from Amazon for around about £46. This does vary in price between £40 and £60, and there are multiple variations both in the 16 piece set with different interchangeable heads. There's also a 7-piece set, and there's larger sets and smaller sets. And again, you can buy extra bits to put in the cases and whatever. So there are multiple variations of this. This is the VDE 16, also known as the 063474. So I haven't opened the box yet, don't really know what's inside. As is always the case with Wera, on the back we've got here a list of the different bits, so I'll just list them off before I open the pack. You've got the PH1, PH2, PZ1, PZ2, the PZS1, PZS2. Then you got the flathead 0.6 by 3.5, 0.8 by 4, that's 1.0 by 5.5. Another flathead over here, 0.5 by 2.5 and 0.5 by 3 by 70. So that's the only 70 in the set. The rest of them are 154 in length. You also got the Torx, the TX15, TX20, TX25 and a TX10. And then you've got the Wera handle. Now this set, as on the front, does come with a voltage indicator. So we're going to open it up now. And inside, as is usually the case, you've got the Wera case with the VDE insulated screwdriver on the front, so that you know when you've got a few different sets like I have the Wera interchangeable screwdriver, and I also have this VDE set now, and also have a set of the Wera Joker wrenches. And when they are all in their cases, this helps you identify exactly which case you're picking up. Obviously with the Joker wrench sets, they're a little bit bigger than this set. However, the interchangeable screwdriver set is about the same size, and so if you pick them up, it's handy to know that you're picking up the VDE screwdrivers rather than the other set. Also inside of the box we have the instructions and some other miscellaneous bits which you always get inside of the Wera cases. Most of it's junk and I never look at it. You also have a bit of Velcro for the back of the case. Again, this is for you to clip it onto your tool. I don't really know what the Velcro is for. I'm supposing you can use it for attaching it to something else, not really sure. So we're going to open up the case and have a look inside. So here we go. So as I said, you've got the standard handle, then you've got the different slim heads here, then you've got your Torx heads, then you've got your PZ and PH heads, PH1 and PH2, and PZ1 and PZ2, and then you've also got your PZS and PZS2, 1 and 2, sorry, and then you have your voltage indicator here. I don't really like them, so I don't actually use them, so that will probably end up out of the case and never used. So here's your PZ2, PZS2. You can see this has got the extra wings at the top for your MCBs, RCDs, and doing work inside of consumer units. Then you've got your PZ1s and 2s. This is a PZ2. Your PZ1s here down the bottom, and they've done them upside down. I guess all the 2s at the top and all the 1s at the bottom. which kind of makes it a bit easier to grab the right one. I prefer all of mine to be facing the same direction. That's just me. Then you've got your Torx bits, again, as I said. The thing I really like about Wera is that they have these slim drive screwdrivers. Really like the slim shafts on them. As I mentioned in my last video about Wera screwdrivers, that's the reason I bought their other set, is this slim neck. Great for getting into tight spaces. So as I said, I haven't obviously used this yet. I will be doing a review of it 6 months to a year down the line after using it. I'll be using this fairly regularly. Needed to upgrade from my old set of screwdrivers, interchangeable screwdrivers. That was the Wera set. Those have kind of broken and I think I'm missing one or two, so I got myself a new set. I really like the look of these. The reason I never used Wera before was mainly because of the handle. As I've started to use other people's and just try them out, I actually really do like the fit of the handle in my hand. When you've got it like that or like that, it is actually very comfortable. I was more used to a rounded handle like the Wera set rather than the Wera set, but yeah, this is very comfortable in the hand. Obviously after a year or two of using it, I'll see how I get on with it. So that's pretty much it for the set. You can also buy other bits. I notice that this is missing the hex heads, which the Wera set did have. I may get myself a set of hex heads if I need them. So that's all for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this video was of some help to you. If it was, please give it a like. And if you have any questions about this tool or any other tools on the channel, please leave a comment down below and I will get back to you. And please remember to subscribe to the channel as I have more content to come. Thank you.